Hey everyone, welcome back to How to Guide. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to check your live data on your Bigo Live app. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, you have to launch the Bigo Live app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can download it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, open the app and go to Go Live option that's at the bottom of your screen. To go live, now you can see there's a three-line option at the bottom of your screen. Tap on it, then you can see under other tools there's data center, and guys, there's that. You can see your live data on your Bigo Live app like this. And guys, that's it. That's how you check it live data on Bigo Live app. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.